Yo, what's up, everybody? It is Wednesday, May 28th, and we are back with another TnS Daily review. So, jumping right into it, right at 9:30 because we didn't really have any good honorable mentions. Jumping right into 9:30 here, um, we only have one setup currently that's available, and it's with two entries here. This would be TnS versions 1 and 2, of course, but it did end up being a loss, so you kind of just went straight up. No TnS entries in these two gaps, only one right here. The higher entry here did get stopped and the lower entry, so it doesn't really matter which one you took. The lower entry gets stopped a little bit down here. So since the higher one got stopped, I'll just have the lower one here so we can see. It's kind of heartbreaking because the lower one did get stopped to the very tick, and then it basically flew. Not flew, but it kind of just chopped around for a bit. But that was a loss, so trade number one is a loss for both. Once again, that is for both versions. Okay. So moving on, after that one lost, we did eventually make our way up to this short. And this one up here was also TnS version 2. Of course, it's going to be 1 and 2. But it finally gets tagged in after a lot of time. Back up, it happened really quick. You can see this would be a short here. There's actually no other setups, of course, in between this price action because it's pretty choppy. But this would be the short. Short there, 35-point stop. The TP is down here because this candle taps the FEG first. You look to the left, it's going to be that low for 50 points. And once again, this would be versions 1 and 2, and it was a win. And it got the TP on the next candle there. Missed it here on that candle, but then it got TP there. And that was pretty much it for the day. So that one was a win for 1.4R. So trade number 2 is a win. Okay, and so I think that was actually the last trade of the day. Yeah, it was, because 345 is here. There's not a TnS short. Would have been nice if it was, though, because it would have been A+. But yeah, that leads us into 4 o'clock, and that's basically it. So these would be our final stats for today. Let's tally it all up and get our final results. All right, so these would be our final results for today. Both TnS versions 1 and 2 taking the exact same trade, so they have the same exact stats. Both versions with 0.4R on the day. That's 15 points, and that's with 1 win and 1 loss. So, very, very few setups today. Only 2 setups, and basically a break-even day because 1 loss, 1 win. The win's not for too many points, but I mean, the runner did also run for a lot. So, like, if say you did short that and say you actually held, it peaked at 182 points. So it definitely could have made you a lot of money if you had held. But since we keep our stats with just TP1, it ends up being pretty much a break-even day. But yeah, guys, it's going to wrap it up for this daily review, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.